Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get OBS to capture two screens at once. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first up, go ahead and find the sources section. Okay, once you're in here, click on the plus sign to add in a new source. So what source? Go ahead and find display capture, click on it, and maybe let's go ahead and name it as D1 or display 1. Hit on OK. Once done, go to display, select your first monitor. Click on it and then hit on OK. This one is added. Let's just go ahead and use these points to make it smaller. Now, let's go ahead and add in a new source. Click on the plus sign and then add in another display capture. D2. Hit on OK. Add in the second monitor, like so. Hit on OK. There you go. As you can see here, it's now added. Here you have your two monitors. So I'm just going to go ahead and disable this display capture. There you go. D1 and D2. Now you can just go ahead and easily use these points to make it smaller or make it bigger. And if you know your way around with transforming this video to make it fit to these extra spaces right here, you can go ahead and do it, okay? But that's just basically how you do it. That's how you get OBS to capture two screens at once here in OBS. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.